Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to log out your Twitter account in all devices using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for twitter.com. Now just go ahead and log in your account. Once you've done that, I want you to click on the More option here at the left side of your screen and click on Settings and Support and click Settings and Privacy. Okay, so once you click Settings and Privacy, I want you to click on Security and Account Access. So here, click on Apps and Sessions, click on Sessions, and here you can see this section where it says Log out of all other sessions. So just go ahead and click on that and click on Log out. Okay, so if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on Logged out, and that is how you log out your Twitter account in all devices. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.